We're heading back to the centre. Once again, we witness the problem that our rescued orangutan faced. The relentless deforestation of Borneo's rainforests.
It's the speed and the scale that it just beggars belief. I foolishly thought it was all done, you know, chainsaws. It takes time, but the speed that these machines can rip through this forest, their homes there. And it's not just orangutans. I just can't think of the number of creatures that are buried in here. They've just flattened everything, absolutely flattened. This is the price of palm oil, I'm afraid. But it doesn't have to be. And there are palm oil companies out there not doing this. And that's the thing that we've really got to get our heads around. That there are ways around this. We don't need to do this. Just look at what's left. Unbelievable, unbelievable.